Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get an amazing and totally new movie and TV shows app on your Fire Stick, which you probably never heard about. It has thousands of movies and TV shows, and I'm sure you are going to enjoy it. So without any further ado, let me show you how to get that amazing app to your device. And firstly, you'll have to get the app code downloader to your Fire Stick. To do that, we go to search on the Fire TV Stick, open the search bar, and start typing downloader in here. And usually there is even no need to enter the whole name of the app because, as you can see, downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom. You click on it, and here's the app, which you need to get. Then after you got downloader, you actually have to set up the app as well. So to set it up, we'll go to settings. So click that button with a gear icon, scroll down and open My Fire TV. So click on it, and from here you have to turn on the developer options on the Fire Stick. But on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire TV Stick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry because it's pretty easy to make them appear. We just have to go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote and do it fast. So let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom, it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it will say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options. Open them, make sure to turn on the ADB debugging, then go to install and on apps. And in here, all you have to do is locate downloader and turn this option on. So what it does, it's gonna allow you to install other applications from the internet, and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we'll do right now. So we go back to the list of apps on the Fire Stick. Here it is, let's open it. And there is the downloader app, which we just got. However, before actually using downloader, there's one more thing which I always recommend doing. And it's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they're super fast. They got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a couple of bucks per month, which is a great pricing for us, the users. All we have to do in a VPN app is connect to any server. So let's say we pick some location, like let's say Spain, for example, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is gonna be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online. And that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, then I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below this video, or in a description of this video, you will get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now finally, let's use downloader safely. So just go back to the list of apps on your device, open it up, wait a moment until it loads, and then start using the downloader now. So here you just open the search bar, and now you have to enter the code, which will be 3907256. Again, 3907256. That is the code you have to enter. So make sure to enter it without making any mistakes. After that, the next step is you have to click on Go, and while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel. so you would get even more content about Firesticks. And now the download of the app has started. Usually it does not take long, but of course it all depends on the connection speed. Then just click install and wait a bit until the installation is fully finished. After that, do not click open yet, instead press on done, because this way you get an option to delete the installation files, as you don't really need them anymore on your Fire Stick. So you just have to click on delete and then delete once again. This way you will be able to save yourself some free space on the Fire Stick. And it's really important, because by default your Fire Stick doesn't really have too much free space available anyway. And then when you go back to the list of apps on your device, let's open it, and here at the bottom you will find this new application. So first of all, I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote now. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines. Just click on it and then press on move to front. This way, the app will always be at the very top of your application list, and therefore, it will be way easier for you to access the app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep the VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble online. Then again, let's open this app. And from here, you gain access to loads of channels from all over the world. So enjoy it all and see you next time. Bye bye.